Evening, everybody. It's 5:27 on Monday, the 15th. This is your closing comment. It's video number 1407. So we started this morning with the futures down about 200. They got a little better right before the open, and the low of the day was down about 170, 175. But we turned up, and the Dow actually finished up 151, or just under a half a percent. Nasdaq up 80, 6/10%. S&P up 17, 4/10%. The Russell, which was down most of the day, managed to finish in the green by 473, and the Dow Jones Transports was the only one that was down 48.22. It was down most of the day and stayed that way. What was interesting today is that even though the markets were up, so was the VIX. That is generally not a good sign. The advanced declines on the NYSE were just 1-1. They were 1.3-1 on the NASDAQ, and volume sank from over 5 billion. As a matter of fact, I think we traded 5.4 billion on Thursday or Friday, down to 4.4, which is a little bit more in line with the summer. We had some pretty crappy news on the economy, so it looks like bad news for the economy is good news for the markets. Empire State expected to be 0.50, was minus 31.3%. Home builders sentiment expected to be 55, which is what it was last month, came in at 49. Not great. Oil was down pretty hard on the China demand possibilities. It closed 89.41 after having traded down to 86 and change. But this 86, 87, 89 area up into the 90s is a very strong area. It's where we rallied from last week. Gold was down all day, traded as low as 1787, closed 1798 and change, down 17. Bitcoin, after trading 25,270 for the first time in a while, closed at 24,000, down 240. The dollar was up 92 cents at 106.43. Bonds were down a point, and the nat gas, which started to the downside, closed at 8.76 yesterday, traded all the way down to 8.40, and then turned back up and traded up as high as 8.93. Closed, as I said, 8.72, down 4. Third point, for the second time, has a position in Disney. Disney was up pretty well, and the last time that they had a position, the activist was interested in cutting the dividend and spending more money on streaming, which worked out really well. Now they'd like to spin out or sell ESPN, which, at this time of the year, I'm kind of betwixt and between here a little. I don't know if coming into the fall and all of the college football, soccer, etc., all of that is the time to be selling it, but maybe it goes for a premium because of that. Tomorrow we have Walmart, Target, Home Depot, and Zim all reporting. We also have housing starts, housing permits, industrial production, and capital utilization. We'll have to see. Okay, ZipRecruiter also lowering guidance, saying, excuse me, that hiring has definitely slowed down. The stock closed 19.91, down $1.06, or 5% on that. Compass Realty, same situation. Disappointing numbers, disappointing guidance. Stock, which was $22 a year ago, $4.09, down 59 cents or 13%. And the little one that I mentioned this morning, VRDN, this is the one with the positive results on the thyroid eye disease. This morning it was traded as high as 21. It actually finished the day trading as high as 25.38, closing 22.42, up 7.69 or 52%. And again, Best Buy up a few dollars, and that other little one that I mentioned, MEGL, that moved from a $4 issue price up to 200 and change. 250, I think, came all the way back down, closed yesterday at $8 and change. Today, traded as high as 21.13. This is a 5 million share IPO that traded 76 million shares today. So, go figure. That's turning over the entire outstanding by 16 times. The last on it is 1908, up $10.86, or 132%. Certainly not one that I would suggest getting anywhere near. All right, everyone. I'll be back first thing in the morning. Oh, also, late news. Paramount in a deal with Walmart. Walmart has a new subscriptions program, sort of like Amazon Prime. It's about $100 to join, and it looks like they're going to stream Paramount as part of the bundle. All right, everyone. Have a good evening. I'll be back in